As the lighting industry moves towards smarter, more sustainable systems, power distribution becomes the backbone of innovation. Introducing the LMD-PDU, a building block for LumaDrive remote driver systems. This high-performance power distribution unit is designed for ease of use and scalability using Advanced Energy's LCM 4000 modules and LCM 12K shelves. Whether starting fresh or upgrading, the LMD-PDU empowers smarter builds with up to 36 kilowatts of output and modular 3-channel switching. The LMD-PDU offers the scalability and control your system needs. It integrates seamlessly into Advanced Energy's centralized lighting architecture, allowing for uncompromised design freedom. Explore the interface, featuring 3-phase AC input terminals and pre-configured output connectors designed for efficiency, safety, and simplicity. Take advantage of independent channel control and pre-wired harness compatibility to streamline installation. Whether you're powering a new commercial lighting system or retrofitting an existing one, the LMD-PDU fits seamlessly. Designed as a core component of the LumaDrive remote driver system, it quickly gained interest from customers seeking its capabilities as a standalone solution. It connects directly to Advanced Energy's centralized power shelves and modules, scaling effortlessly up to 144 kilowatts while maintaining the quality and reliability of your remote driver system. With AE's trusted engineering and manufacturing behind it, you can build with confidence.